This is one of the premier events of Carson City. As you heard up on the stage up there, we are one community, and you know, we respect our police officers, and we want everybody to know that they're here to do a job, but they're also here to be your friends. So make the right choices in life, and you know that you'll be safe as you grow up here.
So National Night Out is so important to the Nevada Highway Patrol. It really brings together the importance of community and law enforcement working together.
We have our communications dispatch booth where the dispatchers are talking to the children about how to call 911, the importance of memorizing their addresses, specific questions the dispatcher will ask.
We're a hazmat unit with the Nevada National Guard, and today we've got two booths set up behind me. One, we're making elephant toothpaste, a good science project for the kids to do, and we're also having them wear butyl gloves and pick up pennies to win some free candy. So it's a good time for the kids and the families to seem to be enjoying it.
It's a chance for all the different resources in our community to come together, chance for community members to come and meet us.
National Night Out's about the kids. It's about engaging the kids, getting them out here to enjoy things, one, outdoors, two, with law enforcement and other first responders. We like to get them out here and actually have them get their hands dirty a little bit with our old ropes as we have them pull our Cherokee back and forth, and maybe take an opportunity to teach them about mechanical advantage.
It is a great event for us to get out and let people know about game wardens and the Nevada Department of Wildlife. We're promoting the ethical hunting practices, conservation to the kids, almost anything to do with wildlife.
Well, what I like is that you can meet new people and you get a lot of stuff, and there are a lot of fun activities here.
What do you like, Chloe?
I love all the fun activities that you can do, and every year it's different, so I really like that.
And I like that they like it, and the parents can bring their kids out and have a good time and meet their first responders and the people who keep this community safe.
We're letting all the kids tour the apparatus. We have a Type 6 brush engine. We have one of our Type 1 structure engines. Type 3 brush engine, and we have an ambulance.
I've been coming to National Night Out either representing Washoe County Sheriff's Office or Cactus Air Force Museum for probably about 8 or 9 years now. I think National Night Out's a great opportunity for the public to come out and see what all the first responders are capable of providing to the community. Gives everybody an opportunity to interact and get to know each other. So the first time you see a first responder isn't on your worst day. So I think it's a fantastic event.
Happy New Year.